the current trends in the Indian auto market, it's very encouraging. It's very dynamic. There are a lot of developments happening, especially in terms of there's a huge demand for vehicle maintenance. As a result, because of this, there's a huge demand for spares, for genuine spares. And the market is highly unorganized. There are too many players now. In the last 5 years, I think the number of players have gone up significantly. So what's happening is that's why I'm saying the market is fragmented. Too many players. There's a pressure on quality. There's a pressure on price. It's becoming highly price sensitive. So therein lies the challenge for organized players to up their quality, up their technological competence, and there's a lot of pressure from the OE brands as well. So it becomes very challenging for the Indian aftermarket, automotive aftermarket, and the space is becoming bigger. Example, if you take the passenger car, there are 40 million cars on the road. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, the demand is going up. Rural is picking up. So it's very exciting. So that's how the Indian aftermarket is poised. I think, and the export scenario. I think people are capitalizing on the Atmanirbhar market kind of a scenario, where people want to export more. The export markets have opened up. So it's very exciting, very challenging. And I think in the H2 of this year, things will start picking up. Albeit the quarter 1 of this year was down. Consumption was down, collections were a problem. So, but H2 should be very good. Plus the PLI, the production linked incentive of the government, that should also help the manufacturing sector. So overall, good days ahead. So it's basically the resilience and the technology which will drive the aftermarket now. So now when I spoke about this, these are the challenges actually. One is the fakes. I already told you the aftermarket is very unorganized. As a result, too many players, becomes fragmented. In this, there comes the fakes. Now they slip in very stealthily inside. Their products are almost as similar and people get fooled by it. That's one challenge. I think, if I am not right, estimates say that 20 to 30% at least will be fakes, counterfeit products. The second challenge is the price sensitivity. Now, because of too many players, organized players and fakes, there's a pressure on the price. As a result, people are choosing price over quality. They are demanding, they are almost saying price, quality is a given. You have to be at the quality, but give me a lower price. So they're expecting a Mercedes-Benz at a Maruti 800 price, which is a big challenge, So that, I think these are the two, counterfeit products, price sensitivity, and these are the main challenges for the aftermarket. The skilled technicians are also lacking. Because the rise of more advanced vehicles in terms of telematics, in terms of diagnostic tools, in terms of the entire setup, the rise for the demand for skilled technicians is rising, so that is a challenge. And sorry, I forgot to mention EVs. EVs are coming in a big way. I don't think the Indian aftermarket is still yet ready, especially in the service segment, to meet these challenges. And as a result, these vehicles will continue to go back to the OE. So these are some of the big challenges. Export is a big opportunity. Since the number of vehicles are going up, the range is an opportunity. So we have to be in the... See, I'll tell you, aftermarket is all about, which I will be speaking about shortly, is RRR, not the movie. I've added a 4th R to it. It's about relationship, resilience, range and responsiveness.